Hi, this is Megan from the Homes I Have Made, and today I want to show you how to edit your student planner stickers using any AVERY template you can find online. Here I'm working in Microsoft Word using AVERY template 6450 I downloaded directly from avery.com. You'll see the template includes a perfectly matching layout to your included labels. It includes frames around each sticker label, and within each one you can place any text or design you wish. I always recommend starting by saving your template to your computer using a file name you'll remember and you can find easily. Once that's done, the first thing you need to do is select the entire table by clicking the box in the upper left-hand corner. By right-clicking, find Cell Alignment, and then select Align Center Left. This will align each field so that your planner sticker designs end up perfectly centered in each one. Next, pull up the planner sticker PNG files directly downloaded from the organization Toolbox. From here, you can simply select any image you want and drag and drop it directly into the AVERY template. Using a regular old copy and paste function, you can add that same image to any field you like. As you can see, in a matter of minutes, you can add exactly the sticker designs you want in however many quantities you want. If you need an entire page of one sticker, just copy and paste down the whole form. If you need a different image in each spot, drag and drop each image to where you need it. I'm going to go ahead and fill up the rest of this page with the sticker designs that we need. Here's my finished template with all the sticker designs we need for our student. Once done, go ahead and save your design and go to File, Print. You'll see when the print box pulls up, the circle outlines are gone and all that's left are your sticker designs in the right places. Make sure your printer is selected and select Print. Once your file comes out of the printer on the AVERY templates, you'll see that your sticker designs are printed in the center of each circle sticker. Peel away the paper backing and apply your stickers to any calendar, planner, magnet, refrigerator, post-it note, or anything else your student needs to stay organized this school year.